Hi. So in this video we will learn how to schedule a psychometric test for a batch. So basically you need to upload a batch in a batch management. Then the next step would be going to psychometric management and psychometric scheduling. Here as you see that many schedules are already made over here. You just need to add a new schedule. So select the client or leave it. It would be a not mandatory option. Select the batch in which your candidate is who is going to attempt psychometric test. Select the training center that you have uploaded while creating a batch. Give your schedule a name. Give time 20 minutes. Instructions and to which date, from which date and to which date your test would be there in the portal through which the candidate can assess the test and give the psychometric test. Candidate feedback, if you required, then click on required, and if you don't require any candidate feedback, just click on not required. If you want the result to be shown at the particular time after submission, you can just opt this option. There are various options like this, and just save. Your test would be saved. So basically if you see, you can send invitation also through this to multiple candidates if you are through email or WhatsApp. So after scheduling a psychometric test, I will show you how a candidate will attempt the test. So I just entered as a student or a candidate who will attempt the psychometric test. Under psychometric exams, he will find his test. Just need to click on the start test. Read the instructions. And if you see, there is a total number of 28 questions of total 20 minutes. So out of these type of questions, you need to select your most character and your least. One most and one least. You cannot select the same. You need to select different most and least of your character. Like enthusiastic, you are the most, you think you are likely to be most enthusiastic in some situations, you will choose most. And if you think you are diplomatic in some, you're not diplomatic in some situations, you will just choose least in the diplomatic. And these all these uh, words have their meanings in front of them so that the candidate can see to it and understand what it needs, what the question is saying. So he will attempt all the questions like this, and at last he will just submit it, and he will be able to see the result instantly if the admin has selected show result at the submission. Thank you.